Shangrongshana Kaisa Panda Bisingtwi NCC 13 Tripura Battalion annual training camp MwthaKjakha. Panda MwthaKjakha NCC 13 Battalion Kusok officer stroke. Arshulok Kabangkok Rung Srangnai Roknati Shahid Bhagat Singh Youth Hostel Luaji Zakmani 13 Tripura Battalion NCC Combined Annual Training. Shangrongshana Kaisa Panda Bisingtwi training camp MwthaKjakha.
Compliment all of you. मैं आप सभी लोगों को बधाई देना चाहता हूँ for the wonderful and scintillating performance yesterday. The program that you had put up yesterday was appreciated by the chief guest and all of us who were present here. And some of them were eye-catching. The kind of performance that you are put are not less than professional performances. Very good talent that you all have. I urge you to keep nurturing the talent in your life. Now that we are on the last day, my closing address, I will make an effort here to recapitulate what we have gone through the last 10 days. When you had set foot in this camp, on the first day, that is 27th of May, all of you were here with some anxious thoughts for the first time in the combined annual training camp, not knowing what exactly is going to unfold in the next 10 days. Having gone through the training, let us together recapitulate what we have actually learned, what we have seen, what we have assimilated, what we will keep us with us through the rest of our life. In this camp, Team 13, the back-end staff, that is the PIs, ANOs, my officers, the civil staff, have worked endlessly for the last 1 month to bring a good package for all of you for an all-round development. Development wherein broadly 3 broad headings. Firstly, your personal and professional development. This was achieved through imparting some basic military training in the form of weapon training, firing, drill, fieldcraft, battlecraft, field signals, camouflage and concealment, classes on map reading. All these were some important basic military training which could have been imparted only in a camp like this.
Khorang Chini Khorang.